Close your eyes gently and take a slow, steady breath in. Inhale deeply, softly, and allow your body to begin to relax. This very first breath is not ordinary. It is the signal to your body, your mind, and your heart that a new possibility is unfolding. Let this breath whisper into every cell of your being, you are safe. You are supported. You are whole. Exhale and let everything go. In this moment, there is nothing to control, nothing to chase, nothing to force. You are simply here to allow, to open, to receive. Feel the warmth of the rising sun inside your chest. Even if the sky outside is cloudy, the light is still rising within you. Today, you are not here to struggle, to push, or to force. You are here to align with the divine flow of life, to let the energy of creation move through you. Everything you once thought you had to chase, the love, the abundance, the clarity, the opportunities, the peace is already on its way. This morning, you remember you are the magnet, not the seeker. You are the receiver, not the beggar. You are the divine in motion, not the lost searching for answers. So let go. Surrender the how. Trust the universe to meet you here. Breathe in and silently affirm, I am ready to receive. As you exhale, whisper within, I trust the unfolding. Again, breathe in and say, I am magnetic for miracles. Exhale and affirm, everything is falling into place. Now let these truths sink into your being. I surrender. I trust. I receive. I let go of control. I stop chasing and I start becoming. I remember who I am, and who I am is enough. I rest in divine timing. I believe in effortless alignment. I believe in unseen forces arranging everything in my favor. I allow abundance, love, and clarity to flow into my life without resistance. I no longer chase what I already attract. I no longer live in urgency, for my stillness is magnetic. My calm, centered presence creates miracles. I vibrate with peace, with trust, with gratitude, and with abundance. Gratitude flows through me now. Gratitude for this breath, for this body, for this stillness, for this new day. In my heart, I see a golden light glowing, warm, radiant, and peaceful. This is my center. This is where my dreams take root. This is the place where the universe rearranges itself for my highest good. Today, I will do less and become more. I will soften and allow the power of surrender to guide me. Because when I trust, the entire cosmos conspires in my favor. So I carry this peace with me, this quiet knowing, this unshakable trust. As I walk, the path will open. As I breathe, opportunities will appear. As I feel good, good will find me. This is my sacred morning. This is my reset. This is the day where miracles begin, not by effort, but by energy. I walk with grace, with lightness, with trust, knowing I am already the vibration of everything I desire. I am already living in the frequency of fulfillment. And so it is. If this meditation touched your soul, carry it with you throughout the day. Remember, your energy creates your reality. Practice this daily to step into alignment with abundance, love, and healing. If you found value in this meditation, please like this video, subscribe for more daily guided practices, and share it with someone who needs to hear this today.